Do you remember your dreams and how bright they were? Even in the darkest of nights, they were. Afrique, te souviens-tu de tes peurs et des pleurs qui en ont découlé? Africa, do you remember your promise not to commit the same crimes as those who betrayed us, oh Africa? Te souviens-tu de tes prières, les yeux fixés sur le ciel, implorant Dieu de te laisser une autre chance et d'ainsi faire la différence pour ton peuple, Afrique? Africa, remember. Remember when you were sworn in and your heart was soaring with joy and pride from deep inside, oh Africa. Te souviens-tu de la gratitude et de l'humilité dont tu as fait preuve lorsque te fut donné l'opportunité d'apporter la paix à ton peuple, Africa? Do you remember your drive and determination that you had for all your nations? Because I remember Africa. Je me rappelle. And oh, Africa, I know it's challenging to reach your goals when the rest of the globe has stolen your diamonds, coal, and gold, and then sold them back to you at a higher price. Oh, I cannot tell you the size of this unfairness. So in hopes for change, I'm here to share this message with you, Africa. Afrique, je suis venue te dire que le rêve que tu as rêvé sur tes collines et au fond des vallées sont toujours d'actualité. Africa, I've come to tell you that the pain from the chains were made from our own riches. So don't be afraid to break them for your own freedom. I said there's plenty where that comes from. Oh, Africa, isn't enough enough? It's time to take matters into our own hands. Time that we begin to understand that we can make and live off our own brands. We just have to get up off our knees and stand on our 2 feet. Embrace the concept of agachiro, dignity, like our fallen and living heroes. Afrique, crois-moi, être gourmand ne nourrira personne, mais les stylos continueront d'écrire l'histoire. Alors, viens m'aider à écrire cette future victoire. There's enough sun for everyone. We are not in competition. It's one vision, one mission, one African pride. Afrika, itajengwa na nani? Na sisi wenyewe. Na nani? Na sisi wenyewe. Amana. Hawetu. Amana. Hawetu. Intsinzi. Uwachu. Intsinzi. Uwachu. Aluta. Continua. Aluta. Continua. A Victoria. Etc. A Victoria. Etc. Thank you, Africa. Merci, Afrique. Murakoze.